Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another video, which is again the most important video about documentation, medical test, psychometric test. Lot of confusion about this email. I know I am getting a lot of comments and messages that please make video on email which we are getting about medical test and psychometric test. Why fear when Yashashvi is here? Without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, many congratulations to the people who have received the mail for medical round. So first of all, starting with psychometric test, you people are very nervous that what is this test, what will be there, what all questions will be there, what we have to do. So psychometric test is nothing but it is just about your medical health, as I have already uploaded a short video on that. So now you guys have some idea about it. But then let me clear it again here. So for psychometric test, you guys have received the contact number of the person to whom you have to contact. So once you will connect on that number, the person will tell you your appointment date and time. The person will tell you where you have to credit the amount for that test. So on the day of your appointment, where you will receive a link, 570 to 580 questions will be there. You have to complete all the questions. It is nothing, it is only about you, that how is your mental health, how are you from in and out, if you are well or not. This is only about you, so don't worry, there is nothing to study. कोई आपको नहीं बताएगा what you have to study, what you don't have to study, because psychometric test is only about you. सबको अपने बारे में पता होता है. So there will be questions, you have to choose agree or disagree. So after completing this test, you will connect with the person again that yes, you have completed the test, and then your next slot will be there on the same day or maybe on another day for video call. Again on video call, the person will be there to whom you were interacting. The person will ask you the same questions which were there in the test, but they will not ask every question. They will just see if you are really healthy or you are just marking everything to show yourself positive. Because they are professionals, so they will understand whatever your mental health. This is all about psychometric test. The amount of psychometric test is refundable. Once you will join the training, they will ask you to submit the receipt which you will receive after completion of both the rounds of the psychometric test. Now jumping upon to medical test. Till the time I am opening the mail about medical test, so let me tell you what all things you have to keep in mind while you are going for your medical test. So first of all, you have to do fasting for 12 hours. So let's suppose your appointment is on 6th of October. The time for your appointment is 8 am. So on 5th of October from 8 pm, you should not be eating anything. तो अगर आप ऐसा करोगे, मैं थोड़ा बहुत खा लेती हूँ because I am hungry, तो वो थोड़ा सा इफेक्ट करेगा. बिकॉज जो फास्टिंग आपको रखने के लिए बोला गया है वो सारे टेस्ट्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए बोला गया है. आपको 12 आवर्स की तो फास्टिंग करनी ही पड़ेगी. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू कैरी द थिंग्स विच दे हैव आस्क्ड यू टू कैरी. बट इट्स फाइन, समटाइम यू कैन नॉट कैरी ऑल द थिंग्स विच दे हैव मेंशन्ड, but then they will give you the time there. You have to carry it with yourself. It is not necessary, but then you have to give all the samples on the day of your medical test. So once you will receive your medical test email, so there will be some attachments and your offer letter. So after psychometric test, what you have to do is you have to go for your NOC. So in NOC, police verified if your permanent address is valid or not, and if it is fake or maybe it is real. You just have to go to any nearby cyber cafe and you can ask them that how to get your NOC, because in every state the procedure is different. So I live in Delhi, so my procedure for NOC was I went to the cyber cafe. The person has filled the form, given me a photocopy of that, and then after few days I received a call from the police. They took all the documents whichever needed. They will tell you what all documents you have to give. So it will be basically your government ID card and verification of the house. It can be your electricity bill or the documents of ownership. Also your passport size photo. You just have to take photocopy of those documents and you have to submit them. After submitting, again after 4 to 5 days, I received the mail that my police verification is done. I received the police verification certificate on my email only. It is a lengthy process, so if you are living in Delhi or maybe in some state where it takes time, start the process of NOC right now because it really takes time. So this is all about NOC. and all the pointers which are given in your email, it is for psychometric test only. So it is nothing, as I have already explained, that whatever things will be there in psychometric test, it is that only. So don't get confused about that pointers and everything. There is an email which is attached in the mail which you have received, on which you have to submit all the documents whatever they have asked, and once you will done with your psychometric test, you have to inform them that yes, you are done with your psychometric. So after all pointers, there is one paragraph which is this paragraph. So this paragraph is little bit confusing where everyone stuck. NOC part is different, passport part is different. So for NOC, I have already explained that your police verification should be done and you should receive the police verification certificate or character certificate. Both are same. There is a confusion about passport attest because this email is little bit confusing. So what you have to do, you have to take Xerox of first page and last page of your passport. Doesn't matter if your passport is issued after 2022 or before 2022, you have to take the photocopy of your first and last page. So who are the Gazetted officers? Gazetted officers are the government doctors who have cleared MBBS and above degree, principal of government school and college, and SDM and above post. If you will visit them and ask them and show them the email, so you can show that screenshot also which I have shown here. It doesn't matter if you are going for police verification first and then for passport attest, or maybe you are going for passport attest first and then for NOC. It doesn't matter, these both things are different. You apply for NOC as soon as possible because it really takes time. So this is all about the passport and NOC. I hope I have cleared your doubt and now there is no confusion regarding that. But if you are having any confusion, please mention your query in comment section, because if you will lag behind in anything, it will be difficult for you. After psychometric test, NOC and passport, now it's time to see the attachments which are attached in the email. So first attachment is CA34 initial and CA35 form. So this form, you don't have to go on that right now. I will tell you where you have to use this form step by step. So there are instructions mentioned about the medical test. Whatever I have spoken in the starting of this video, that you have to do 12 hours fasting, you have to carry all the samples whatever they have asked, you have to carry the document. It can be any government ID. So you have to carry these things with you. So in instructions it is mentioned that if you are going to Metropolis, what all things you have to do and what all things you have to carry. So if you want your medical tests to be done in Delhi, you can go to Metropolis. I went to Metropolis and there I have submitted 5,500 for my medical test. So the reports which you will receive on the same day, that will be soft copy. So of course you have to go there again and then you have to collect your reports and then you have to go for class 2 medical test. So once you will receive your reports, what you have to do. So once you have read all the instructions, there is one Excel sheet given to you which is contact details for medical centers. On the top of the sheet, there are different columns given where it is written instructions, package of CC, Metropolis, pre-employment medical centers, class 2 medical officers. So these are the details which you have to refer. So in package, what is written? So in package, there will be the amount written, what you have to pay to the labs. So in pre-employment medical centers, the address is mentioned for the medical centers where you want to go. If you are doing it by Metropolis, you have to visit there again after 2 to 3 days. They will tell you whenever your reports are ready. You have to go there, you have to collect your reports, and then you have to proceed for your class 2 medical test. What is class 2 medical test? So there will be DGC approved doctors. You will find the contact details of the doctors. Wherever you are comfortable, you can go. You can contact them and get your appointment fixed, and you have to go for class 2 medical test. It can be done on the same day once you have received your reports, or maybe whenever you want to go, but complete it as soon as possible, because जितना जल्दी आप अपनी रिपोर्ट सबमिट करेंगे उतनी जल्दी आपको बैच अलॉट हो जाएगा. You have to get the printout of CA34 and 35 form of all 10 pages, and then you have to take that form with you. Don't forget to carry your passport size photos, because everywhere they will ask about your photographs. So once you will visit there, you will submit your reports to them. They will check your reports, and then if they want, they will do your height and weight check, eyesight check, and BP check. They will ask you for CA35 and 35 form. So you will give them the form and then they will fill the form according to the reports which you have received from the medical center. So once you are done with all of these things, they will put a stamp that you are fit to fly. And then what you have to do, you have to make one PDF for CA 34 and 35 form and your medical reports. It should be in one PDF, and then you will submit it on the email which is given to you in the instructions. In instructions there is one email which is mentioned where you have to submit your medical reports. What all things you have to take care? You have to carry your passport size photo everywhere. Wherever you are going, you have to carry your passport size photos. But you have to carry your Aadhaar card everywhere. If your eyesight is below -4, then you cannot proceed. So once you will go for your medical test, they will ask you if your eyesight is fine or not, and then they will do the test. So whatever will be your eyesight, they will tell you and write it in your medical reports. But the thing is, you have to wear lens. So if your eyesight is low, please start wearing lenses. Yes, they will allow you to wear specs in the initial days of your training, but then they will give you only some time because you have to get used to with lenses, because wearing lenses is not easy. And about your weight, if you are overweight and if you are underweight, don't go for medication and everything just to gain weight or lose weight, because it is very negative for your health. So if you want to get fit, lose or gain it naturally. Other attachments which are there is essential. In essential, your salary and everything is mentioned. Police NOC letter, it is the same letter which I have informed you to, which you have to carry with yourself once you are going for your police verification and for your passport attest. And of course, you will receive the offer letter from Akasa that you are now the part of Akasa. But if you won't clear the medical round, this offer letter will be cancelled. And then if there is anything happens in your medical test, if they will find anything, that's fine. Don't get panic. They will tell you to do the test again. And if there is some problem, then they will give you time to recover, and then you can go for your medical test. And if you are suffering from viral or something, don't go for medical test in those days, because it will come in your report and they will not give you the reports. They will ask you to recover first and then come for the medical test. So I hope that I have already covered everything about the medical email, and now there is no confusion. But if there is any confusion, don't forget to mention your queries in the comment section, because it is very important to get it clear. And other than this, let me tell you guys that don't go for any treatment before you join your training. So don't go for nail extensions, don't go for any colored contact lenses, don't go for hair color or something, because you know every airline have their policies regarding these things. So they will tell you in your grooming session that what all things you can do and what all things you cannot do. If you really want to go for nail extensions, so you can go for French tips or maybe for nude color. Once you will join, once your extensions will remove, you have to do whatever the recommendation is. And for makeup also, they will tell you what brand, what color you have to use. Don't go for anything, because it is totally waste of money. In doing everything, you will waste your money and then you will regret later. So that's why I'm awareing you before. So I think I have cleared your doubt. But then again, I am always there to help you all, and I'm always there to solve your queries. If you want to contact me personally, so you can go in description of my any video. You will find my Instagram ID there, and you can contact me there also. Once you are done with submitting all the documents, all the reports, once everything is done, you have to wait for a few days. It can be 5 days, it can be 10 days, it can be more than that, it can be less than that. Nobody can tell you the fixed time. But then you have to wait, you have to have patience, and then you will receive your final appointment letter. 13 to 15 pages will be there, and then you have to sign all of them and submit it again. So there is a procedure about that also. I will make a short video on that. So right now I am done with all the informations which I am having for you guys till now. I will be more than happy to solve all your queries if you are having further. And I hope you liked my video. So don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel, and share this video as much as you can, because if you are watching this video, there are some people who wants to watch this video. I will see you guys soon. Bye bye, tata, take care.